Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to up pot this Canary Island Date Palm that I grew from seed in this 12-inch tall container. I'm going to up pot them into this 11-inch wide by 24-inch container. As you can see, it's much taller. And just to let you know, I start my seedlings in this little Stewie D11. I believe it's approximately 2 inches by 5 inches, I believe. And so just to show you, this is how I start them. So there's actually a little palm tree in there right now. He's ready to go into this 6 by 12 right there. But then once it grows into the 6 by 12, it gets about this size, and then at that point it's time to get him in this big bad boy. So we can start really growing some roots, because Canary Island date palms have really deep root systems and they love to just go straight down. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to up pot this thing in there. So let's get started. For the soil, as usual, just typical garden soil or fruit tree or palm tree soil mixed with some perlite. That's really all I always use for my palm trees. And as you can see, I already have it ready to go. Compacted it down, and let's set them in there to see if it's the right size. Yeah, he's right where I would want him, depth-wise. Yeah, he's gonna really be able to grow into that. Yeah, this little palm tree is about 1.5 years old. It's starting to look like a palm tree. Okay, let's get him centered. Just pull out the measuring tape just to verify that he's centered perfectly. About 5.5 will be centered. That's good. Let's check this side. Yeah, he's good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in the sides. Okay, I pulled him out of the 2-gallon container. I just want to show you his root system. Very healthy looking. Let's see if I can just tip him over a little. I'll show you. Look at those roots. He was definitely ready for an up potting. Now let me put him in before he falls apart. He plugged right in perfectly. Okay, so now I'm going to finish filling the top.
Let's compact it down. like to remove the soil kind of at the bottom and have it taper up towards the edges so the water will go down in the center. Okay, I'm happy with that. And this little palm tree is going to be able to grow into something pretty big in this container. Now it's watering.
Alright, let's give it a water with my brand new little watering device that I picked up today. I saw this person at Home Depot watering the trees with this, and I was like, that looks nice. And she's like, yeah, you gotta get it. It's in the garden center, and I went and got it, and this thing is cool. I'm just gonna give it a nice little watering. It's got many different settings. You can do it from a distance. Doesn't hurt your back. Definitely a good little device. Good. So yes, 1000% satisfied with this. It's a lot more work than I thought it was, but well worth it. For growing Canary Island date palms, any type of deep-rooted palm tree, I think this is really the way to go. I ordered 5 just to test them out, and I'll definitely be getting more. I have about 200 of them in this size, so now I have to get about 200 of these. So yeah, these ones are going to go next. These we're going to get it up potted probably tomorrow. Alright, here's a little guy grown from seed. His roots are all dialed in, ready to be up potted into this 12-inch container. Let's plug them in and let the cycle continue. Let's plug this little guy in there. Just cover him up with a little bit of soil. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.